Limo wakes up to a loud. He jumps, spinning in the air. Who's that? A tiny alarm clock bounces and giggles. I'm Wakka, your morning buddy. Limo covers his ears, too noisy. But Wakka keeps bouncing, always on time. At first, Limo hides under a sock. But Wakka brings snacks, tells jokes, even sings. Slowly, Limo starts smiling. They dance, play and nap, with one eye open. Now Wakka rings. Limo just giggles. Wake up time. Okay, okay. Sometimes loud friends bring the brightest days. And Wakka, best sidekick ever.